Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. So in one of my videos, I have already discussed with you all about the Cadet Pilot Program and the various companies in our country that offer Cadet Pilot Program. So in my video today, I am going to discuss with you all in detail about the various kinds of Cadet Pilot Program that various companies in our country have. I'm going to give you a general overview about what are the different types of the Cadet Pilot programs and the requirements for those. And in my other videos that will be coming up in the future, we are going to discuss in detail about each Cadet Pilot program and what is the procedure to go through those. So if you are someone who is looking to become a cadet in one of the airlines in our country, my video today will surely be useful to you. So let me begin with telling you what exactly is a Cadet Pilot program. A Cadet Pilot program is nothing but a tie-up between a company, an airline company and a flying school, wherein a few candidates are selected by the airline. They have to give a certain set of exams, interviews and all that stuff. And once these batch of students are selected, they are sent to a particular flying school where all these students are trained for their commercial pilot's license as per the requirement of the airline that they have been hired for. Now, to quickly give you a glance over the difference between the Cadet Pilot program and the conventional CPL. In a conventional CPL, we are totally on our own. There is no airline that is backing us, because once we finish our CPL after our training, then you have to be looking for a job. You have to wait for the vacancies to come up and you have to keep going through all the selection procedures and everything. But in a Cadet Pilot program, there is no such thing like that. All you have to do is, of course, write your exams, get selected by the airlines, but then after that it is just a cakewalk. All you have to do is finish your CPL training and then start flying with the airlines. Now, Cadet Pilot program is of course expensive than the conventional pilot program, but what is more important is that in a Cadet Pilot program, there is a surety of job. You are not going to be looking for a job once you finish your training. So now that you know what is the difference between a Cadet Pilot program and a conventional CPL, let me quickly take you through all the Cadet Pilot programs that are offered in our country. To begin with, let us start with the Indigo Cadet Pilot programs. The first is FTA Indigo. FTA is Flight Training Adelaide. The second one is Skyborne Indigo, Insight Indigo, CAA Indigo, CAE and L3 USA. Now, what exactly happens in the selection process? What are the kind of exams? What are the questions asked? What is the procedure? For that, I am going to be doing another video. So all of you all just stay tuned to our channel.